ready to turn your YouTube dreams into a reality without lifting a finger? We specialize in YouTube automation, helping you kickstart your new venture, scale your channel, or take your content to the next level. Whether you're just starting or want to expand your customer base, we've got you covered. We create cash cow YouTube videos tailored specifically to your needs and specifications. It doesn't matter if you're in tech, fashion, health, or any other niche, just tell us your industry and location and we'll handle the rest. With our proven expertise, we provide end-to-end video creation services that ensure your channel grows while you focus on other things. We pride ourselves on quality, communication, and efficiency. No guesswork, no hassle, just high-quality videos delivered fast. Are you ready to see your YouTube channel take off? Let us handle the heavy lifting while you enjoy the rewards. Get started and watch your YouTube journey soar. We can't wait to work with you. Let's create something amazing together.
You might have heard about YouTube automation faceless channels where you can earn money without making videos. If you are planning to do so, we will manage all aspects of content creation, starting from niche research to finding viral topics, writing scripts with zero plagiarism, and providing high-quality voiceovers. But wait, there's more. We'll finalize the full video for you, ensuring it's unique, copyright-free, and captivating, with the potential to garner millions of views. Not only that, we'll create clickbait thumbnails with an impressive click-through rate of up to 40%. In short, our high-quality work will make your channel viral. Additionally, we'll handle SEO and uploading to your channel. In a nutshell, everything will be automated for you, and you could be the next faceless millionaire on YouTube. Please drop me a message.
Tired of uploading videos and seeing no growth? You're not alone. YouTube is more competitive than ever. The truth is, posting random content isn't enough anymore. What you need is a system that combines strategy, creativity, and consistency. That's where we come in. We don't just help you make videos, we build your entire YouTube brand. From day one, we set up your channel to look clean, professional, and built for growth. We guide you toward a niche that's both trending and profitable, then craft engaging scripts that speak directly to your audience. Add to that studio-quality voiceovers in your preferred style, seamless editing with cinematic visuals, and storytelling that keeps viewers hooked. We also keep your channel ahead of the algorithm by optimizing titles, tags, and descriptions, plus designing thumbnails that demand clicks. No more low views, no more wasted effort. With our full YouTube automation service, you focus on your brand. We handle the rest. DM us now, and let's start your success story.